In this short video, you will learn exactly how to find the bounce rate inside the Google Analytics. First, logging into your account, go to the left-hand side, click on Reports, go to Acquisition, click on Traffic Acquisition, and down here we see engagement rate, but there's nothing that says bounce rate. Engagement rate is different from bounce rate. Engagement rate is the engaged sessions divided by sessions. Bounce rate is the percentage of visitors landing on your page and immediately leave. So to get the bounce rate, go up on top, click Customize Report, and then on the right side column, click on Metrics, and then on the bottom says Add Metrics, click on the drop-down button and search for bounce rate, and then hit Apply. Now you have added bounce rate in your report. Now if you don't want to do this every time when you're logging into your Google Analytics account, what you can do is create a custom default report. So to do this, go to the left side column, click on Explore. So click on Blank, and then here you can add a bunch of metrics and segments. So for this example, we're going to just add all users. Dimensions will be all pages and screen class. And for the metrics, we're going to just add sessions, page views, and the bounce rate. Hit confirm. Here it says values. All you will do is drag all the metrics in here. And now this is exactly how you can view bounce rate and create a custom report inside the Google Analytics.